Ever wondered how a local business can harness the power of the internet to reach more potential customers? Local SEO is the key. It's a digital strategy that helps businesses rank higher in local search results, attracting more customers and boosting revenue. Mastering local SEO is a game changer for any local business. So, how can you master local SEO to give your business an edge? Start by optimizing your Google My Business profile. It's crucial for local search. Next, leverage online reviews. They boost your reputation and visibility. Don't forget to sprinkle local keywords throughout your website and content. Finally, ensure your business name, address, and phone number are consistent across all platforms. These strategies will help in optimizing your local SEO and bring your business to the forefront. But what if you need expert help to navigate the complex world of local SEO? Enter Authority Solutions, your trusted partner for all things local SEO. We provide comprehensive services to help your business dominate local search results. Get in touch with Authority Solutions today, and let's make your business shine in the local search results.